Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to redeem gift card or code on the Widgetable app. Now if you want to redeem gift card or code on the Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Widgetable app on your device. So if you have not installed the Widgetable app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the Widgetable app. And this is the home page of Widgetable, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various options at the very upper taskbar. Now to redeem the gift card or code, you just need to click on the option of more at the very bottom right, and here you will see various options like notification, units and all of it. So to redeem it, click on the option of your name at the very top, and here you will see the option of bills, gift card or code. So click on the option of gift card or code, and here you will see the option of my gift card. So if you have any gift card, you will be able to see here, but if you want to redeem it, click on the option of redeem gift card or code. So after clicking on the option of that, it takes you to the page where you just need to enter the code for it. So enter the code which you have and click on the option of redeem next to it, and from there you'll be able to redeem the gift card or code like this. So that's it. That's how you can redeem the gift card or code on the Widgetable app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.